Today we talk about how can you disable profile visitors notifications on your Badoo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this system. All you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on account preferences, then come to next step here, then you click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile visitors, then come to this list, come here to push notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see, push notifications disable with us now. Here can you disable it for email too. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.